Welcome to Tate, built by Mosaic, an award-winning developer. This East Clayton colonial-inspired townhome complex features live-work homes perfect for entrepreneurs, attached garages, sun decks, clubhouse, and kids' playground. This townhome is close to all levels of schools, parks, including dog parks, shopping, and transit. But enough about the area. Let's go take a look inside. This end-unit townhome has an open concept floor plan right behind me. Look at this amazing entertainment space. This home features a gourmet kitchen, gas fireplace, laminate flooring, 3 full bathrooms, a garage, and so much more. This is a one-of-a-kind unit with bedrooms on opposite sides, large-sized balcony on the main floor, made perfect for entertaining all year round. You really do have it all with this townhome. One of the spectacular features of this home is the Greenbelt view of the kitchen and living room. This is your perfect home if you're seeking quality living. For more information or to book a private viewing, please call, text, or email.